I tried, but it don't feel right. Can't erase you from my mind.
What you got here is the Dyson V8 vacuum. This thing is a killer. It has so many features. Let's go through a few of them. You got your hair screw tool. This is the conical brush bar that removes hair from pet beds, car seats, and stairs quickly. You got the right power where you need it when you switch between two power modes as you clean for the right balance of power and runtime where you need it. More energy efficient everywhere. You can easily reach up high with the lightweight and ergonomic to clean high up places with one smooth motion. This is going to transform into a handheld vacuum as well, small enough for hard to reach places around your home, powerful and long lasting enough to clean your whole car too. You got the crevice tool included there, engineered for precise cleaning around tricky edges and into hard to reach narrow spaces. Don't forget about the combination tool. It's two tools in one, a wide nozzle and brush for quick switching between cleaning and dusting tasks around your home or car.